Everyone, welcome aboard. My name is Oscar Ramos. It is an honor to have you here for this AM Token live video. Also talking about Shiba Inu, a little bit of what's happening. So if you are into those two, welcome aboard, guys. Well, man, I want to say hello to everyone who's watching. Super excited for Ramp in the long term. Cole, hey, how you doing? Greg, Pertech, Luke, amp it up, of course. A lot of things to say, everyone. This is gonna be a good long live, so go ahead and relax. I'm gonna do the work, but I need my amp token army here with me, of course, helping out and supporting the channel. Thank you so very much, guys. The way I'm gonna welcome you today is, well, just take a look at this. IOTX still climbing up with 244% change, as you're seeing right now on the screen. We have amp token 35%. So for those who are watching, guys, we have to celebrate the small changes. We have to celebrate the small gains with AMP token. If you are coming to AMP token as a new investor, if you are just relaxing and really understanding what's happening, this is where we wanted to see it for so long at 7 cents. And I just love it. I just love it. And I'm buying when it drops. I'm holding when it's high, and I'm not selling. I just made a video earlier today. About what to do as an AMP token holder. You have two options, and I gave you the two options, so you choose. You can merge them. You can use the two of them. It's up to you guys, because you and we belong to the AMP token army. At this time, I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this beauty. Let's see how it's looking right now for us. And the position of AMP token based on coin market cap, we're at 53 rank. Well, love to see it at 53. Just for context, my friends, we were at 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, then 70. So back at 50, really good stuff. Do we have any news coming from the main founders, the developer team, the AMP token currency or so? Not really, but it is what it is. We're still high, and I love it. I love it. How you doing, Luke? Hello, everyone. Poland, awesome stuff. Okie dokie. So that is one. We're gonna go ahead and immediately come to the AMP token price right here and stay here for a while. The RSI, I'm gonna go ahead and expand it to the year-to-date basis. And well, let's see what we can find here. Let's see. So first and foremost, look at this. Look at this beauty. Nice stuff. So you guys are just coming to the live. My name is Oscar Ramos. Welcome aboard. Welcome to all the subscribers, guys. And pretty insane stuff, to be honest with you. Also want to have Shiba Inu here on board, because I also have some comments when it comes to Shiba Inu. And well, here it is. Here's the price of Shiba below my Fibonacci retracement, the one that I had a couple days ago. I'm gonna go ahead and do the 5 days, so it's way better. So on top we have AMP token. Go ahead and delete these arrows right now. There you go. Nice and easy, pretty good. And then we have the prices and the value of Shiba Inu. Here it is. Here it is. So you guys still holding Shiba? You guys are still holding Shiba? That's a pretty good question, right, to ask right now. Whew. Ah, man. Very excited for today, guys. Very excited for today. So Shiba Inu is right there. What is happening to Shiba Inu, guys, it's something I knew. I mean, from before that it was, it was a chance of happening to Shiba Inu. What? Well, there's a new dog in town, pretty much. What does that mean? Well, it means that Shiba Inu cools down from that massive high from 5 zeros to 4 zeros and almost 3 zeros, which makes total sense. Shiba Inu right now, it's selling off, which makes total sense. If you go ahead and pay attention to the bottom right about here, that's what you're gonna see, the massive sell-offs that people are scared. There's FUD, which means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. There's people running away from Shiba Inu because it's losing value. And well, does that mean that Shiba Inu is a bad project and makes no sense to hold it? I don't think so. I think that it is pretty cool. It did something remarkable. And to me, I'm still holding my couple million Shiba Inu. How about you guys? So welcome aboard. And when it comes to AMP token, we're still looking very nice and sharp here, everyone. Very excited, to be honest with you. Very happy. So if you guys are coming in, go ahead and smash that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you right here for all the news and updates. We are going to the moon. When? That's the question. Is it going to happen tomorrow? Is it going to happen today or in a couple of months off? The very good answer for me is that I'm going to still hold for this and long term. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this Shiba Inu price. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in very closely on Shiba Inu. There it is. If you have a question, go ahead and smash that in the comments, in the chat. So I'll see you guys and I comment on your questions and I'll give you my perspective, everyone. Because I know a lot of people have a lot of different questions and why is it selling off or so. And I've seen something on Twitter from the founders, from the developers, and it does seem that the supply is a big deal, is something that is really crushing the spirit of a lot of the Shiba Inu army. So I did find something pretty interesting for you guys today too. Man, we love to see that. You know, it's been a while. It's been a while since we were here on the 5 cents. Now definitely being here on top on the not first, second, but third Fibonacci. And I'm taking at this time the highest point of the Fibonacci, which is going to be, let me remember, about 12 cents. So man, 7 cents is beautiful. So who from here is holding AMP token, guys? I'd love to see it. So let me know in the comments right now. So there you go. There's Shiba Inu at the bottom. There's AMP token here at the top. So how you doing, guys? Welcome aboard. What do you guys think causes that pump from AMP out of nowhere yesterday? Coal. Oh, what a delicious water. You know, I have to have my water too. Well, there's a couple of news out there that I see on Twitter. Some people send me information all the time. And some of them saying about the Australia partnership with Gemini, a bank partnering with Gemini and pretty much opening more access to people to use their platform. And if you didn't know, Gemini, of course, is one of the applications that does use Flexa network. So that could possibly be an idea because that happened just earlier this month. That could be one. But in reality, I really love to hear Flexa say something, right, to confirm what I'm thinking. Sadly, they haven't said anything since October, so what could I expect? But when you think about it, all the application from AMP token does make sense if Gemini is making moves. So at the end, what you should be really concerned of if you're trying to make money with cryptocurrencies, you have Shiba Inu at the bottom, you have AMP token at the top. Which of these two cryptocurrencies can make you the most money? Well, at the end, I always play it safe by holding, right? It might not be the greatest strategy. Hey, Danielle, welcome. Danielle Collins, welcome aboard, buddy. Thank you so much for subscribing. For a lot of people, they wouldn't like, to hold or so, but I love it, to be honest with you. It just, you take it very easy. You buy when it's low, when it's red, when it's down, when nobody cares, or like, where people are hated it because they do hate it very hard. And that's when you buy a lot. And period. That's what I'll tell you. Period. Alrighty. So earlier today, I posted a video about AMP token saying, guys, if you have already a nice position where you started, let's say at 4 cents, because we were at 4 cents for a while, then makes sense for you to, if you're trying to make short money, well, there's always a sell button for you to get out and buy when it drops, because it did drop from almost 9 cents to what? 5 cents. See the video. It's there. It's there. Hey, Javier, of course, all the information is right for you guys. I'm here to share the info. What else? But if you get the opportunity to buy a lot of AMP token very cheap, and a lot of them like me about $5,000, well, I'm holding those beauties. I'm holding those beauties for so long. At this time, they're still working on getting merchants accept Flexa network to pay with cryptocurrencies. And that by itself seems to be such an easy task because it's super straightforward, right? but it is not. From what Tyler Spalding in his interviews goes over and over, and I really like to see those beautiful interviews. It is a very hard task. One of the greatest challenges when he was speaking, and I have my list of all the CEO 10 moments when he went out and talked to the London Real. Highly suggest you either watch the full video or check out my video for the top moments. He said, "What is the great the interviewer asked him, what is the greatest challenge Flexa has right now?" And guess what it is? It is what all entrepreneurs face at some point in their careers. It's growth. It's having everyone in the same team under the same umbrella, thinking alike, or not thinking alike, but just working together. And that is what he says. Like, expansion is becoming rapidly, everybody staying on board and focused. I mean, things like that. And that makes total sense. I think that makes total sense. Right now, if you wanted to see I'm talking completely blasting all the way to 10 cents as my thumbnail today, well, I put that thumbnail because could that happen? My answer to that is no question. Of course, it will happen, but I personally had 10 cents plus earlier this year. Michael, welcome aboard. At this time and the rate that I'm seeing, I'm talking price. 2 weeks ago, 4 or 5 cents, I was like, no way, I don't think we're gonna get to 5 cents based on how the price is, because we just had 2 months. Now we have less than 2 months to end the year. But what happened just today, once again, reminds me, Peter, 25 to 40 cents by the end of the December. Peter, gosh, Peter. Honestly, I'll be super happy because I'll make so much money. But I mean, I really like how these new investors are coming to the market for AMP token and they see potential like that, right? But to me, it's very hard to conceive those numbers because I've never seen AMP at those levels yet. And because I know AMP token is doing everything it's supposed to do. Like, it's not like Solana or Block or Ethereum or Cardano or Avalanche or Mana that there's just so much usage, right? Usage. For AMP token, there's just one usage, and as Flexa network continues expanding, that I'll say the opportunity to collateralize or let people use cryptocurrency payments through the Flexa network, that's how AMP token will be used the most. That's what I'll tell you. But that's, to me, it will take a little longer. But as I also referred, even if Flexa says, like the CEO of the company said, hey, we might take 5 to 10 years to get to where we want. Give me what? That was a good sneeze. It might take a long time to get where we want with Flexa network. For AMP token, it's a different ballgame. Like, we may get to passing 20 cents in the next 2 years or so. That means that by the time Flexa network gets to where they want in 5 to 10 years, we may be at around $1 or so, and that'll be amazing. Thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome aboard. Nice stuff. Mario, I've been holding since 4.5 cents. I bought 100,000 coins or tokens. I sold at 7.5 cents yesterday and then used all that money to buy back at 6.1 cents. Thanks to you yesterday. Mario gets it. Mario gets it. That's it. That's all I'm preaching here, guys. I'm not telling you something that it hasn't happened before, right? Mario, you get it. Because will the cryptocurrency price go down? Absolutely. It's crypto. It's never gonna continue going up. We can see it on Shiba Inu. You guys go back to the early October, mid-October. The entire world was for Shiba Inu. Everyone was for Shiba Inu. Like, I actually changed my views about Shiba, and I'm for Shiba Inu. I like Shiba Inu. The project's good, but no matter, listen to this, guys. No matter how hot, how impressive, how spectacular, stellar the crypto project is, because there's manipulation out there, much money going around in different time zones. Remember that we don't live in just America here; we live in the entire world. So there's your Latin American market, your Asian market, your Pacific market, your everything market, European market. There's so many customers coming into the crypto market, seeing the opportunities here in the United States we have, and they come in and eat it and enjoy and make money. What I'm doing in this channel, guys, is just preaching my mind and telling you what I think it's cool, right? And what kind of what works. And Mario is a clear example. I cannot do what Mario did because I'm earning interest. So those who use Gemini, if you're earning interest in any of the coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it is, I'm talking Dogecoin. When you want to sell your earn, you won't be able to do it very quickly because Gemini will take a couple of days to give you back your crypto and plus rewards. So you won't be able to day trade it. That's what I'm saying. Plus, if you're staking on Flexa Network, ooh, that's another issue because now you have to pay fees to get it out. Now you have to pay fees to get it out. So yeah, that is the beauty. And look at I'm talking beauty. Look at I'm talking. It's doing massive stuff. Love it. We are here and we're doing this live because hey, if we have another rise in I'm talking, well, there you go. There you go, and we are gonna be ready for it. We're gonna be ready for it. So welcome aboard, guys. Thank you so much for coming to the live. My name is yours truly, Oscar Ramos. So please go ahead and drop that like right now. Consider subscribing to the channel. We talk about all things crypto. We talk about the AM token empire, the cryptocurrency that really I know a lot and I've been following for a long time. I understand I'm talking better than any other token. I'm talking is ERC20. It's not as sexy, to be honest with you, compared to other ones. Let me just tell you this right now. I'm talking is not as sexy as other ones because I'm talking is not a blockchain. I'm talking is not a form of payment. I've seen over and over and over this news that Amazon is gonna accept I'm token as a form of payment. That is not true. That is not true. That cannot happen. AM token is not a coin. It's not like Bitcoin or Dogecoin. AM token cannot be accepted as a form of payment. That is just lies, guys. Those are lies. Don't let that lie to you or confuse you. AM token does not do that. AM token collateralizes payments through the Flexa network. That is the utility it has. Alrighty. We are overbought, but my charts show more upside is coming. Darren, yes, we're very overbought. That I can tell you. That I can tell you. But at the end of the day, hey, at this time, if you are day trading, this is what you are seeing, and potential may come, and that's what we're here chatting about it. Hey, Greg, welcome aboard. Thank you so very much. Amped Diamond Hands. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, we have to leave it clear. Like if I was an expert in Cardano or Algorand, which I'm trying to become, you know, learning, staking, becoming more aware of the coin, I'll tell you what lies are and what truth is. And I mean, immediately I can recognize, hey, AM token doesn't do that, right? Unless the white paper is in a way upvoted and changed, unless the developer team tells us something different, then I'll be able to tell you, yes, I mean, Walmart can use AM token, Amazon can use AM token, but I mean, that's just not how it works. It's not how it works. Just people making money, it will come all the way back down. Peter, I mean, that's another possibility too, right? I made in today's video, I posted how don't be surprised if the price of AM token comes back crashing and then later on comes back up. I mean, these are the scenarios that we like to enjoy. Let me tell you that we like to enjoy. Whew. So as we continue seeing AM token price right now, pretty cool, pretty nice stuff. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about Shiba Inu, guys. So 404, 404. Where are my Shiba Inu holders right now? Where's all my Shiba Inu to the moon? This is Shiba Inu. This is the best. The Dogecoin killer, the everything Doge, the whatever it is. Where are my Dogecoin Dogecoin, my Shiba Inu fam right now. Well, we'll continue talking about AMP token right now in just a second, but Shiba Inu, guys, did we know this was gonna happen? I think the answer is yes, right? I think we knew that this was gonna happen eventually. Holding Shiba Ivana, there you go. Eventually, we knew Shiba Inu was gonna drop. Like, I don't think everyone or anyone was just expecting we were gonna reach the price. But here are the things that just kind of go through my mind about Shiba Inu. Ready? So here are the things, a couple of things about Shiba Inu. First things is that we saw companies playing Shiba Inu, like a fiddle, playing Shiba Inu like a fiddle. We saw it, and I think the community was a little bit too excited for more news and hype. That well, it just happened. So what am I saying right now? First, we see Robinhood, the Robinhood listing that I reported that we talked, right? Robinhood, for some reason, like on Twitter, we see these fake accounts telling and preaching the choir, hey, Robinhood is gonna list on November 1st. Hey, Robinhood is gonna list. Hey, Robinhood is gonna list on October 21st. You guys remember? But pure lies. Pure lies. In the world of crypto, guys, you have to take away your emotions and you need to fill it with facts. This is cryptocurrencies. This is money. This is money, guys. Like, understand, yes, it's not like I don't want to make money. Of course I want to make money. That's why I'm holding a lot of crypto. But I also have to differentiate what is truth and what is not. Who are you going to believe? Are you going to believe some stranger posting crazy, pumping, hyping messages on Twitter saying that X coin is going to be listing in X exchange? Or are you going to believe the Robinhood comes and Robinhood official team? To me, that's clear. Why am I going to post a video saying otherwise, right? Sadly, that's what a lot of people believed. And I mean, it's just what happens. Let's put it this way, right? Thank you, investor. AMP Army, of course. So, that being said, first and foremost, November 1st, I think November 1st and the late October was the peak of Shiba Inu at this time, at these prices. And a lot of people sold, but I honestly think a lot of people held. People didn't sell too much around those days. And let's go, Oscar, spread the word, become a crypto pastor. The last time, welcome, my man. Thank you. The last time, bro. Thank you so very much for being here. I love you, Brody. Thank you so much for the support. Honestly, you are a fellow awesome subscriber. Give you a shout out right now. Great content, man. Keep it up. Keep rocking on those free world with AMP. Of course, my friends. Of course, I'll be here talking and preaching the truth when it comes to AMP and other crypto. So, as I was saying with Shiba, first and foremost, Robinhood listing, right? Then Kraken listing. Oh, that's another beauty. But guess what happened in between Robinhood listing and Kraken? The coin market, I will say, super issue, which is the supply. Basically, the supply of Shiba Inu just wasn't accurate. That made a lot of people fearful. That made the FUD increase. And that's when people started to sell off because CoinMarketCap, which is from Binance, happened not to update Shiba Inu's correct secret supply, which is less than 400 trillion, and it had it at 500 trillion plus. So if you guys are understanding what I'm saying, is Shiba Inu was played. It wasn't treated fairly. And if there's one thing I love a lot in life, it's fairness. Fairness is what I believe a lot. You have to be fair with people. If they win, great. If they lose, I mean, they lost because it was fair, right? That's what it is. This is a competitive world. You have to be willing to accept the wins and accept the losses. But you're going to tell me that poor Shiba Inu, like it was doing so well. And then first, of course, Robinhood, a lot of scams, a lot of fakers, sadly. Second, we have the CoinMarketCap debacle where the supply wasn't right. And third, Kraken, very funny, says on Twitter, hey, let's go ahead and tell the people that if we get to 2,000 likes, we're gonna post it tomorrow, list it tomorrow. And when I read that, I'm like, when I read that comment from Kraken, I said, man, you guys are going to lose a lot of trust. And it happened. Because you're messing with the cryptocurrency, like you're messing with a lot of the investors, cryptocurrency size people, and you wouldn't do that. You have to keep your word. So what happens is today is November 4th, and we still don't have any news on Shiba Inu for Kraken, right? So you guys, if you connect the dots, that is what I'll tell you. Fi Sigo Vivo, welcome aboard. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it, buddy. So yeah, I mean, that's what I'll tell you. Shiba Inu, I'll still hold Shiba Inu. That's my answer. I think Shiba Inu, of course, is not gonna be the first and last one to come. More will come. Now we have Floki Inu, we have Saitama, we have SafeMoon, we have more than 13,000 coins and tokens on CoinMarketCap. Give me a break, right? But yes, it is what it is. I think that's what you and I guys will have to deal from now on. So there you guys have it. That's my first thoughts on Shiba Inu. I really like the movement. I like how people, hey Juan, welcome aboard. I really like how people are involved in Shiba. They have now NFTs, Shiboshis, Shibarium coming up, Leash, Bone, Berry. Like, it's a very complex and well thought out process. So it is what it is. Welcome aboard. Let me welcome each and every one of you to the live stream. Please go ahead if you're enjoying the live and what you're hearing from yours truly. I'm preaching and telling you the truth, what I know. I may be wrong, but it's fine. The chat is for you. Go ahead and disagree and agree with me. All comments are welcome. Please go ahead. So smash that like button right now. Don't forget about subscribing to become a member, to become family, and consider becoming a member here on YouTube, or check my Patreon link down below. We have a massive, awesome community of good people, good traders, beginners from all levels, and always welcoming more people. We got 2 tiers, $10, $20, and also $4 or $3 if you guys just want to support the channel. So thank you so very much. And also here on YouTube memberships, you can use all the emojis and stickers, and I'll give you a shout out every single time you come as a member of the channel. So welcome aboard. And all the money I get from Patreon and memberships go back. They go back to investments. So they go back to more videos. They go back to my equipment that I know I have to get a better computer. They go back to all of this. You see? Nice. Thank you guys. Pierre Paul, welcome aboard. Nice. I'm doing well, Uncle Max. Thank you for asking. Thank you so much for asking. Let's go ahead. We need amazing to use the Flexa network, and then AMP will climb. I'm not counting on Amazon to use AMP token as a currency. I need them to use the utility it offers. Point, Daniel, point. Hey, Oscar, how you doing? I'm doing well. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Nice. Love it. Hey, Oscar, I have 130 million and I'm holding. Mark Anthony, pretty good. Hey, good to see you, Mark Anthony. I remember you. Some big whales is liquidating Shiba, might be preparing for a big move. Yeah, I saw that video, and I saw that video from Zach. Zach is almost gonna reach 60,000 subscribers. Really much love to Zach for updating us, and also Austin Hilton. I mean, the guy is pretty cool too. I really like to listen to these 2 guys. They're pretty cool guys. And about Shiba Inu, really, they have all the news for us. That's pretty cool. Nice compact way. But yeah, I mean, I think I see the latest Stephen Graham video about the next Shiba Inu, which is Floki Inu, and well, how many Inus are we gonna have, right? How many Inus? What is your guesstimate on AMP token price? So let's go ahead and continue talking our AMP token fam. Real Nike Star, welcome aboard. Awesome. Don't forget to like the video, guys, so YouTube does its job and continues sharing the love. There you go. Water break, and hello to you from Texas, guys. Here's the Texas Star. Where you guys watching? Yours truly, Oscar Ramos. Let me in the chat right now where you guys watching. I want to see my Australia. I want to see my Texas. I want to see my Miami, my New York. I want to see my UK, and much more. Let's go. Hey, Luis, welcome. Beautiful. I dropped my Shiba yesterday for another one. Nice. Hey, Oscar. Hey, Uncle. Hello from Dubai, Canada, Maryland, Central Pennsylvania, Estonia, Wales in the UK. Nice. I do want to go to UK, honestly, or like the United Kingdom. That's one of the places I really want to go. See the London and all these places. I'm super excited. California, Connecticut, Bay Area, California. The Bay Area of California, so much beauty. Michigan, Canada. Nice stuff, everyone. Awesome stuff. You see, guys, Shiba Inu is coming up. That's pretty cool. That's nice. That's what we want to see with Shiba. That's what we want to see with Shiba. Look at this. Nice comeback. Are we gonna keep this comeback on Shiba Inu? So it's dropping, but eventually, eventually it has to come back later on. I like that. And AMP token still holding strong. AMP token still holding strong. We're seeing the 5-minute chart, guys. This is how it looks like, and we're gonna be here for a while. So go ahead and get comfy. Go ahead and get comfy. Oscar, Shiba time to buy? I will say yes. I'm not gonna shake with my words with Shiba Inu. I think the price right now is a good price to maybe get $100 or $200 if you have them on the side, and then wait for what it does, and wait for what it does, and wait for what it does. That is called dollar cost average. That's what you do when you're looking at a coin, when you're seeing the trends, when you're analyzing the prices, the changes. That is what I'll tell you. If AMP token was right now 3 cents, guess what I'll be doing? I'll probably be dropping $1,000 in AMP token right now. I want to say that once again. If AMP token was 3 cents, I'll probably be buying way more than usual. You see that? But AMP token is at 7 cents now. So it still makes sense to put in $200, $100 weekly, daily, however it fits to your budget and needs. But I mean, just respect the volume, respect the price, and it is what it is. Just check what has happened before and just act on it. That's pretty much. AMP token is looking beautiful. I know. Laredo, Texas. Nice stuff. I love my patrons are also posting here. Nice. Live now. There you go. Love to see my patrons commenting and posting. That's awesome. I have my Discord channel for my patrons, so you guys want to talk to me, just use it. Thank you so very much for the support. So AMP token is still blast enough to close to 8 cents, and we are seeing that beauty. Shiba Inu is nice, putting at a good price so far. So that's what we want to see. Exactly, that's what we want to see. That is what we want to see, everyone. Honestly. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Oh, yes, AMP token. Let's go. Let's go, beauty. Houston, Texas. Nice. Still early. Kryptonite. Still early. I couldn't agree more with you. Couldn't agree more with you. That is still early. Monterrey, Nuevo León. Yes, Carlos. Ajúa. Hola a todos mis mexicanos e hispanohablantes. Bienvenidos, chicos. Bienvenidos. Whew, what a nice day today, honestly. It's Thursday. So as we see the price charts and answer some questions here in Texas, now you go outside and it's chilly, and you don't know how happy I am that it's chilly now. It's super cool. It's chilly. It's nice. The weather is awesome. Couldn't ask for more. Let me tell you, couldn't ask for more. Look at to add more. I'm talking to my portfolio. If it dips down to 6 cents, cold, you get it. You get it. That is the idea. Adding when it is, adding when it's not. That is the point. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and ask a very important question to see what my audience here in the chat is thinking about. So AMP token equal yes. Shiba Inu equal no. I'm not saying yes, Shiba Inu, yes, AMP token, and no, Shiba Inu. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying which one you choose right now. Let's see. To buy, let's see, buy AMP token right now, yes, or Shiba Inu, you want to buy it, equal no, because I cannot add more than that here on the options. So let's go ahead, add an option. Oh, wait, let me see. Ask the community. Oh, I can even add one more. Oh, I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Oh, cool. I can add more options. That's great. Oh, wait. Let me see. Oh, I can modify this, really? I can modify this? Let me see. Oh, I can modify this. I didn't even know. That's great. First time I tried this poll and I didn't know. So let's see. Which one? Right now. You guys know when it comes to becoming a YouTuber or being a YouTuber, you learn so much. I'm talking or Shiba. I didn't know this. Wow. Or Shiba Inu. Actually, let's go ahead and ask even more. I'm talking Shiba Inu. Let's do Floki. Let's see what everybody is thinking right now. Let's do Floki. Which one should we do? Floki. Let's do Saitama. Okay, only 4. So I'm talking Shiba Inu, Floki, Saitama. Let's go with this one. Boom! Everyone, there it is. Alchemy Pay 2. That's another one too. There you go. Wow, it looks so beautiful. There's the poll, everyone. Pick wisely and let's see how we're gonna end this beauty. Let's see how we're gonna end this beauty. It's gonna be pretty cool, let me tell you. I'm pretty excited to see the results. Pretty excited to see the results. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, I'm talking. Give it to me, I'm talking. Give it to me. Give it to me, I'm talking. Beautiful. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, welcome aboard. I see Shiba for the win in an amp. Los Prime. Nice. I'm gonna wait for another dip, but the days of 4.5 cents is over. Mario, honestly, by looking at how it looks like right now, there's a higher chance. There's still a slim chance for 4 cents yet. I mean, if there's a massive sell-off or like a crash or something. But right now it looks really strong, and I'm pretty happy. It's creating a wedge. Last time to buy in the lows, then it will head out to another rip. Che, dog, we are ready for it. We're ready. So, guys, you're gonna continue knowing about I'm Token and crypto. Smash that subscribe button right now and like the video right now. Let's go ahead and get to 100+ likes so YouTube starts doing the job they have to do and sharing this live right now. Let's go. And if you become a member here on YouTube, you will be able to use some of my emojis, which I have, and I love them. Here it is. To the moon rocket. I love the emojis with the to the moon rocket. Boom. You see them? They're so pretty. Welcome aboard. Ah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Any other new crypto we should get into, Edward? I mean, new crypto. The new cryptos, I would like to give it some time to see, if there are no rock pools or stuff like that. But Algorand, Cardano. Hey, Bobby, welcome aboard. Algorand, Cardano. I'm buying a lot of them right now. I'm telling my patrons, hey, check Algorand, Cardano. I gave the notice about Algorand before it ripped all the way to $2. So it was at $1. And I was telling people, hey, I'm buying Algorand. Check this out. And it went all the way to $2. So once you're in the Patreon page, with my Patreon Discord, I'll tell you guys everything, all the alerts. Because what I find after the streams and after the videos, I go ahead and do more research, and my mind never stops thinking about crypto. And I honestly see I'm planning for the future, guys. These are like yesterday I said, I'm buying my blue chips crypto. I'm buying my blue chips crypto, and these are the ones. These are the ones. What do you think about Decentraland and AMP Israel future? That's what I think so. Like the fact that I'm very excited about AMP token, it's because it holds a lot of utility. I'm not just saying, hey, AMP token is valuable because our Twitter number of followers is above 1 million, which actually is not even close to that. Let me go ahead and show you. So right now, 53. Take a look at this. Let's go ahead and first check how is Coinbase doing. So Shiba Inu with 22% down. It was at 30 something, so it's doing a little bit better. Jasmy, you see, Jasmy is selling off. Decentraland selling off too. So This is a reminder, my friends. This is a reminder how, even though you rise, expect a pullback. Why? Because this is crypto. And in crypto, pullbacks come anytime. So out of all of this, which one should I buy for more profits later on? Definitely Mana. Definitely Mana. And I will say Shiba Inu and probably a little bit of Yasmi. So who is rising right now? IOTX still and AMP token still. I mean, they're good right now. Are the ones that people are buying, that people are looking for it. This is what they're looking right now. You see that? Beautiful. Hey, Prime, welcome aboard. So what I was gonna tell you is this, guys. Loving the support here on Twitter. So this is what I was gonna tell you. This is the official AMP token Twitter, right? This is managed by the developers and by Flexa network. You're seeing it right now. Barely 33 followers, 33,000 followers, barely. Then you go to Etherscan and barely 50,000 plus holding. Guys, this beautiful thing is not known because Granacci, welcome, because their token and their community, the developers, they are not that inclined for marketing and advertising. I guess a lot of the marketing and advertising AMP token has had is due to the creators that we like to expose these cryptos and tell the people about them because we're making money and they have utility and they're so cool. But from them, the last thing Flexa Network did was an interview. And if I go to Flexa HQ, guess what? They didn't even tell them here that they were going to have that interview. It's not here. They haven't posted anything on October. And barely Flexa HQ, 30,000 followers, and AMP token, 32,000 followers. So these are the most like anti-advertising projects you can see. So when you think about it, that makes no sense in the world of cryptocurrencies, right? Because you will expect someone to be promoting or being more outgoing or saying, hey, look at us, I'm talking, we do this and that. And I mean, they could do it easily, hands down, and get more people and get more holders and get more volume and get price going up. Why are they not doing it? They have the total right to stay away from it and leave it to creators on YouTube or whoever, right? Or Reddit or whoever. But that's why I'm putting this for the future, guys, because I believe Flexa Network, the fastest, most fraud-proof payment network in the world, the global leader in pure digital payments, guys. Guys, these are not kids. These are not Squid Game token group garbage. This is real high leagues, premier top people, intelligent people that know 100x than me. I cannot compare to the professionals behind this team, and I'm so happy about it. That is what it is. I cannot compare to them, but I'm just conveying this information to you. By the way, guys, if you want to follow me, this is my channel, Oscar Ramos, Real Oscar Ramos 1. I'm an investor, I'm Mexican, I'm a YouTuber, and we love cryptocurrency, so welcome aboard. This time, let's go ahead and refresh this beautiful thing on CoinMarketCap. Whereas, oh, there you go. I'm talking 52. I'm talking 52. I'm talking 52. Double J VIP member here. Nice. How you doing, buddy? Help. I need a program to track my cost per token. Coinbase does not show running investments with fees. I know, I hate Coinbase for that. Any recommendations? Well, Gemini will help you. Gemini will be a better, when it comes to AMP token, Gemini will help you track things like that. Double J. Thank you so very much and welcome, my friend. Like to see a member here. Yeah. So you see, AMP token was below 50 for a while. Now it's coming back and we love it. And we love it. There it is. There it is, beauties. Man, we love it. Super excited. Just run away to Panama. No tax. Hey, King. Good to see you, buddy. It's been a while. I remember all my subscribers. Ah, I paper handed at 8 cents. Hey, you sold for profit. That is great. It's great. All in an amp, Camp David, good stuff. Hey, Oscar, it's your time to buy more Shiba. Duarte, not bad, not bad at all. It's at a great price, and we talked about that a couple minutes ago. ACH crypto is skyrocketing. ACH Alchemy Pay, as we continue seeing right now, AMP token price. ACH crypto, it's one that I talked about it a long time ago, and I still do in a fewer basis. But what I'll tell you about ACH, it's another one that is tackling this crypto and fiat payments, allowing different programs, if there's different merchants and customers, to get involved with the Alchemy Pay network. And of course, I'm not as knowledgeable when it comes to Alchemy Pay. I'm much more with Flexa Network and I'm talking, but I can recognize a good project when I see it. And the fact that they just had Alchemy Pay had a CEO conference where the CEO talked to some employees and some people, that to me makes it's a legit organization and makes total sense. Uh, is it gonna just skyrocket and explode in 2021 or 2022? Just give it some time. One of the things I like for people to understand is like, why are we rushing cryptocurrencies just because of our gains of price and becoming rich? Like, I know we want that goal. I completely understand where you're coming from, but just let them sit there and do their job. Kat Miller, welcome aboard. So yeah, that's what I'll tell you. Like, that's what I'm doing with all my investments, and it's so great. Double J, no Excel spreadsheet programs. I've seen some online, and I did not know what was trustworthy for tracking cost. For tracking cost, I see. Well, what I know is that you are looking for an Excel spreadsheet coming from the exchange broker so you can track what's going on. Gemini does that. I've got it from Gemini. So I see everything when it comes to all my transactions, including AMP token. So that's what I'm recommending Gemini if you're looking into more analysis on your private end with Excel. That's what I'll tell you. Double J. But let me know. Hey, welcome guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're just joining the live, about to pass 100 likes. So if you're watching, if you're enjoying what I'm saying, guys, smash that like button right now and turn on those notification bells. Subscribe. And we're continuing seeing the AMP token price action right here, right now. We love it. We love it. So with more than 250 votes, let's go ahead and close the first poll right here and see what people have to say. Very interested as to what people have to say. Let's go. Perfect. Thank you. I understand now. Thank you, Double J. I appreciate it. AMP in 20 years will be insane. I understand. If you say be patient, what do you think AMP will be in 20 years from now? That's a huge question. That's a very loaded question. Very huge. Wow. Look at the answers, guys. AMP token 46, Shiba Inu 45. Wow. So we have the right kind of people in the live right here. Shiba Inu and AMP token. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Incredible. Still, I haven't opened my audience to a lot of Floki and Saitama, but that will probably be later as it seems how they perform. But wow. Love, guys, that we are all united and we all know what we want here. Oh, man. So keep going with your questions about AMP token, please. This is an AMP token live. I'm also adding some Shiba Inu knowledge. Erican SP, welcome aboard. Because, of course, when I share what I know and what I don't know, I'll tell you. I'm not gonna make stuff up. I'm gonna tell you when I don't know something, because there's a lot of things. If I can give you a percentage as far as how much I know about crypto, easy. I know about crypto. I think I know maybe 15% of crypto, which means that I don't know 85%. There's so much I don't know. There's so much I don't know, guys. But that is why this is an industry that really pushed me to like, wow, keep learning and so, because it's insane. It's insane. Danny just subscribed to your channel yesterday. Love your videos. I'm Holder here. Much love and support from Miami. Danny, welcome aboard, bro. So all of you new subscribers, same I manage my cryptocurrency is the way I manage my cryptocurrency, my YouTube channel. This is a long-term YouTube channel, right? This is not a let's go Shiba Inu one day all the way to the moon and I'm closing my channel, or let's go I'm talking to the moon, I'm closing my channel. No, this is a long-term investment, stocks, Roth IRA, crypto channel that we enjoy a lot, and I enjoy a lot. And when I find projects that make sense, just make sense for me. Thank you guys and welcome aboard. What got you into cryptocurrency, Vicente? That is a great question. That's a great question. Dogecoin. I know. How in the world Dogecoin? The first crypto I bought was Dogecoin in January 1st. I was in Monterrey, Mexico. I remember I was in Monterrey, Mexico, and it was 2021 January, and I'm like, Dogecoin is doing so well, let's buy it. And I bought Dogecoin, and then the second crypto I bought was Ethereum. The third crypto I bought was Bitcoin, and the fourth crypto I bought was AMP token. Oh, those good old days. Those good old days, I gotta tell you. Love AMP token, fast transactions for spending to Bitmart and buying Saitama. Cool stuff. What is the AMP chart saying right now? Solve me. Great question. So the AMP tokens chart saying right now is that we're still, I'm gonna go ahead and open the 5-day to show you better. So this is the 5-day for AMP token, guys. You're seeing it right now, right here. In the last 5 days, we are coming from 4 cents to 8 cents and to close to again 8 cents. So pretty much at 2x for AMP token. That is perfect. I've been covering this token for a while, and I mean, I'll tell you easy, straight. This move is unprecedented. At the growth we're doing right now, it's just so fast. It's unprecedented because there's not many news out there. Gustavo, welcome. There's not many like news coming from the real sources, from the Twitter, from everyone who is just like connected to the project. There's nothing from them. So definitely this couldn't make much sense, but it's happening. On the other hand, there's something going on with a bank in Australia. It seems that they're adding Gemini, or they're planning to add Gemini to permit transactions or so. So that helps Gemini, Flexa network in a way, because Gemini is an application that it uses. Gemini is an application that uses the Flexa network for some operations, including Gemini Pay. So that tells you a couple of things. Right now, in the last day, we've seen this. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a Fibonacci retracement from the top here. And this is how it looks like right now, guys. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Actually, I just noticed we have 2 Fibonacci retracements. So I'm going to go ahead and delete one. There you go. We have now the most recent Fibonacci retracement, and it looks like this. So it looks very sexy. It looks very sexy, to be honest with you. Just take a look at this. Wow. Love it. Honestly love it. We love this, guys. I love it. What a good one. What a good one. Welcome aboard, guys. Incredible stuff. Whew, man. If you're not patient, then you better invest a lot into take profits. But if you wait for long term, you can multiply your money. AB, you said it. You said it. Oscar hermano, no te olvides de Casper y Meseo, sleeper brother. Got you, discovering worlds. Thank you for sharing the knowledge. So this is what it looks like right now in the last couple of hours and days, few days ago. And well, just got us all by surprise. Got us by surprise. I was dumb and I transferred my AMP token to Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet has huge fees. Yeah, I know. Still being an ERC20 Ethereum token. That's the only thing that in my videos you always see me mention, how I say, please help us with Ethereum fees because they are insane. They're just insane. They're killing us. Ethereum fees are killing us for real. Like, I'm not even lying to you. Whew, man, love it, love it, love it. So now, since we have a little bit more people here, which is great, guys, welcome aboard. My honor to have you here right now, guys. More than 300 people. So can we get 200 plus likes so YouTube continues doing its job and spreading this message out? And don't worry, I'm here for the long term. We still have a couple more hours left, so pretty excited as far as what's happening with AMP token. We'll be checking it out. My prediction when it comes to the price is that it's still hot right now. A lot of people are looking at it. It may come back down to possibly around 6 cents or so, and it will stay there for a while. That's what I wanted to do personally, right? With 300 people watching or so, it's not gonna be enough to move the price of AMP token. It requires whale level money to really do something very fast, or just change the price drastically. There it is. So that's what we're looking right now. Looks so beautiful. Looks so beautiful. Let's see the comments, guys. Why is AMP a good long-term big bot? AMP is a good long-term because you just have to look at how payment and the infrastructure of the new payment system is going. It's not that AMP token is the sexiest when it comes to collateralizing transactions. It's that where us as society are going in the future. We're gonna be starting to pay with our phones, and the currency we're gonna use are cryptocurrencies. So that in itself, not only Flex Network but other companies are doing it. It will be easily a $1 trillion industry. I know $1 billion is where a lot of companies stay in the $1 billion level, but where do we see this going? The metaverse is coming. Mana, the Decentraland sandbox, which you saw huge shoot up to the sky due to the Facebook announcement of the metaverse. I forecast that the industry that will be very relevant for new up and coming projects will be the cryptocurrency industry, blockchain developers, and much more. So AMP token is well positioned through Flexa Network in the long term because they tackle one specific need: to let people have access to cryptocurrency transactions. And for those who are watching, these are pretty cool information. The CEO of Flexa, Tyler Spotling, said this, right? Don't quite remember where exactly, but he said it in one of his interviews, that he first want to focus on the larger retailers. You're talking Target, Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, the largest retailers, so they get more money, get more fees, make money at the end of the day. Later on, when that is done a little bit better, when they learn and get more team or so, they want to start focusing on smaller projects in the United States, Canada, and beyond. So you will see your nice mom pop shop having Flexa access, so they will be able to accept cryptocurrencies. So imagine you will be able to accept cryptocurrencies not only with other companies, but Flexa Network can give you that opportunity. That's what I'm saying, and I hope that answers your questions, right? I'm just trying to explain you guys how I see things right here. And cheers to that, guys. Ooh. Hey, Austin, welcome. Welcome. Shiv had a billionaire move his Shiba into 4 accounts and caused a lot of FUD. Yeah, I did see a lot of things going on when it comes to a billionaire. It is happening. It happens at the end of the day. What's your Twitter? Sure. My Twitter account is this one, Oscar Ramos, Real Oscar Ramos 1. All the information you guys need, it's right about here. Thanks so much for the support, and keep following and following. Appreciate that a lot. What is the difference between staking versus earning interest on Gemini? That is a great question. Very, very important question. So all AMP token holders, on people who want to know about this one, the difference between earning interest on Gemini and staking is that when staking, you go to Flexa capacity, which is here. I'm going to go ahead and close this beauty. I'm going to open Flexa capacity. Here it is. So Flexa capacity gives you at this time, let me go ahead and show you. Here it is. Connect wallet, Coinbase. So you're seeing right now on the screen, Flexa capacity gives you 2.28% on Gemini staking from the capacity. It gives you 2.87% on stake with speeding, but a lot of people are using the 5% on Lightning. That is what it is, Lightning. You see? So that's what a lot of people do and stake with Flexa capacity, which is coming from the Flexa network project, which is exactly what any AMP token holder could and should do. The only issue that happens with this is that once you decide to stake your, in this case, I just have 548 AMP tokens for demonstration purposes. Once you click continue, then it go ahead and in my case opens my Coinbase wallet, and I have to accept and see the fees, but the fees are insane. So why don't we go ahead and do a live demonstration right now to kind of show you what the fees look like? Would you guys mind? So let's go ahead, and I'm very confused. Okay, let me go ahead and explain a little bit better here. So you guys create your wallet. You can create a wallet on Coinbase or on MetaMask. I have it on Coinbase. I have a video explaining all of that, so just go ahead and do how to stake on Flexa Network AMP token, and you might see my video in the top results. So I have it already connected from my Coinbase wallet here on my phone to the desktop website, right? So once that's done, you will have the option to stake, and this is where it gets you higher APY rewards, because if you go to the Gemini.com page, you can earn interest. What is the difference? One, you're staking, you are delegating your coins. The other reason, you are lending your coins. Lending your coins, delegating your coins. Lending your coins, delegating your coins. That is the difference. So delegating your coins is what gives you the most. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the fees are right now. This is gonna be insane. So if I click OK, I'm gonna have one alert here on my phone, and I just want to see what the fees are right now. Yep. Okay, guys. So let me show you this. This is insane. So here it is. You guys seeing me right now? These are the fees. $158. $158 that I have to pay if I want to stake my AMP token right now to the Flexa network. You see that? So that's why, my friends, that's why I'm gonna cancel this, of course, and that's why at this time yours truly is not staking because it's just so much money. It's just so much money. I just show you right now. Like, you're paying so much money to get 5%. It just makes no sense. Unless you have big, like millions of AMP token and make sense at that point. Okay. So I hope that's clear. Guys. I always want to be a resource for knowledge. Now you know. And if you have a question, just post it in the comments once the live ends. Good. Now, this is huge. Too, because the price of AMP token is growing, so that's why we have way more. So all the stakers are making a big amount of money. The fees used to be much lower because before the London fork. Now they're much higher, sadly. But it is what it is. And there's AMP token, guys. So just went ahead and explained you the entire staking and earning process. So I hope you guys like that. Ooh, delicious, guys. Delicious stuff. So I think let's go ahead and open here at the bottom our Shiba Inu. In Shiba Inu, it's rising, baby. There you go. Shiba Inu rising. We love to see that. I'm going to go ahead and do the 1 month. Okay, so here's at the bottom, my Shiba Inu dropping view, where we drop below the Fibonacci retracement right here, which was at around a price. Let's see. Welcome, Bramble. Thanks so very much for the support. Appreciate it, buddy. We drop all the way to this price, let me see. 4043. There it is. 4043. That's the price we dropped. And right now it's coming back to 405 once again. So these are the prices, guys, that for any investor wouldn't be a bad idea, to be honest with you. Wouldn't be a bad idea, to be honest with you. That would be pretty cool. Thanks for saving us money, Oscar. Yes, of course, anytime. But 5% over time, isn't that what's worth in the long run because it's growing for you? JJ Vicente, I understand, and yes, but before it wasn't that high. Before it was like $20, $10, tops $30. Right now it's out of, in my opinion, like this is my opinion, and this is why I still keep lending my AMP token on Gemini. That $100 to recover all of those $100, it will take a long time. So I better just wait for Ethereum fees to decrease in the soon future, hopefully with Ethereum 2.0 coming. You guys see what I'm saying? So that's what I'm telling you. I mean, it just makes total sense. When are you sleeping? I was watching you last night when I was going to bed, and this morning you are here, and now you are from. I know, right? Well, I have time. I work and do a lot of things, but I have time, and I love the community. I like to be here. It is what it is. Any single updates, we're here, and I'm telling you because I really like this cryptocurrency. I just like to be part of and involved. That's what it is. I like to be involved. Love it. Crypto adoption 100%, of course. Of course. I just sold my AMP, waiting to dip and put all my profits back in to get more coins. Josh Nixon, you're doing it. Shiba is getting some hard candlesticks upward right now. Epic. Yes, we're seeing it right now at the bottom. Orengo, welcome aboard. There you go, guys. Nice. Thanks for the advice, dude. Of course. Please do a Scarface impression. Say hi to my little friend. That's as far as I can go. That's as far as I can go. Thank you, Gabriel. Of course. Thank you so very much. So the main idea, guys, is that for a while, AMP token just got some recognition. Okay, for a while, AMP token got some recognition. It just lasted for a while. I mean, we could get even more recognition if the price continues or goes back to almost 9 cents or 8 cents again, which that will mean a price increase, from here all the way to here. Technically, the price rose at 5 p.m. So right now it's it's 12:34. So it's 5 hours away from the previous pump. So it's still, we're still there. We're not there yet. If nothing happens at 5:30 p.m., which makes total sense, then that's it. Probably AMP token just had a nice volume all the way up. People got excited, and we talked about it. So assuming that AMP token will stay at around 6 cents, I'll tell you guys, and as I show you in today's video, have a long-term investment portfolio for AMP token and have a short-term investment portfolio for AMP token. What do I mean? And this is what I said in my video, right? For your profits and gains and daily upgrades, you want to have at least, I would say, 10,000 AMP token, which is, a very good amount for you to day trade. And for your long term, I have 100,000 AMP token, and I'm always adding, little by little. That way, you don't get frustrated because now you don't have to redeem your coins or tokens if you're on Gemini, and you don't have to unstake in that regard. Okay? Going to buy back in AMP. That's pretty good. So yeah, that is the main idea for this, guys. The main idea for this, and there it is. Seems to be growing once again. Oh, AMP token. Always coming in hot. Always coming in hot. So let me see now. I'm gonna refresh this cryptocurrency market right now. I'm gonna refresh right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go and tell you guys, because I did have some. Oh, look at this. Robinhood had some news. Look, breaking: New York mayor to take first 3 paychecks in Bitcoin. Not surprised. There's a lot of people right now getting money with Bitcoin. Shiba Inu says Arkham's will sell Shiba if it hits 1 cent. I think the answer to that is a lot of yes. That's the money we want. Look at this. A Kraken. Are you going to hold your word and not list Shiba Inu? And for all the AMP token, the Shiba Inu holders, this is what I was saying early in the live, that sadly Shiba Inu is being used as a, um, it's just being used for profit for different companies. They just want the attention and they know they'll get it with Shiba Inu. And sadly, it's just what's happening. And I'm sad because that's not fair. That's just not fair. Of course, you have your people saying Robinhood to Shiba Inu to Robinhood, and everybody wants that to happen. But I mean, as of right now, there's nothing that's saying. They lied and they need to be held accountable. We demand honest updates. Yep. That is what it is. That is what it is. Now you know why Solana is doing very well. Just look at the gaming on Solana is heating up. A lot of things are happening on Solana and all these blockchains. That's why I'm putting a lot of money right there. I love it. And yeah, I mean, just insane. It is insane. So let's go ahead and go a little way to the top here on CoinMarketCap. Ramos, do you think AMP can reach $3? I first want to see AMP token pass 10 cents to answer that question, because those are questions that give people hope. But I want people to at least understand what they're getting into and understand the project, right? Because that's exactly what Bitcoin people did back in the day. They got it early because they knew what could potentially happen. Price related, it's good, you make money. But when it comes to AMP tokens, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Avalanche, Algorand, Polygon, Chainlink, these are projects that you don't get into them because of the price. You get into them because of the value, the utility, how many changes, how many lives they're going to change throughout the years. That's the important question to solve in real life. After that, the price will follow. That is the main issue a lot of investors are seeing today. They want money, they want price, which I understand. That's human psychology 101. But you buy when it's low, you buy when people hate it, you buy the project, and you will be fine. And this is a phrase I said to all my Discord members. When you buy a cryptocurrency just for the price, you are already losing. I'm going to say that once again. When you buy a cryptocurrency just for price, you are already losing. So what does that mean? It means that, are we going to have more Shiba Inu copycats? Are we going to have more Shiba Inu related coins? Yes. Those are never going to stop existing. Shiba Inu is like, it's an exotic new project. It makes total sense. It's trying to do a lot of good things. Cool. The community is vibrant, more than 1 million or so. Great. And I'm on board. But I think, I just think that, of course, it's just more and more and more and more and more going to come. So you will have to also put some good money in projects that you see are actually will be the leaders in their specific ecosystems. Got it? And that's why, even as of today, there's countries, there's right now, I just read to you, there's government officials, there's companies that are buying Bitcoin. I know a lot of people don't talk too much about Bitcoin, right? They don't talk too much about Bitcoin because, or like YouTubers or personally me, because it's pretty expensive, $60,000+. Gosh, I mean, that's a lot. But they're buying Bitcoin because of its long-term appreciated value, and then Ethereum as well, and much more. So there you guys have it. Hope everything I'm saying makes sense. And if it not, just let me know. It makes sense to me. And honestly, when I see my cryptocurrency like portfolios, they just look bright green, and I love it. That is the idea. It is an easy way to accumulate coins for the same initial cost. Bro, you think about picking up some Dogecoin? Nah, I mean, probably just a bit, just little if they come to Coinbase. This is my my answer to all these cryptocurrencies. If if like Saitama or Kishu Inu or Floki Inu or SafeMoon, if they arrive on Coinbase, I will get it. I will get it because I know it's just gonna explode no matter why, no matter what it does, because there's so much hype. There's so much hype. So it's gonna explode, and then after the explosion, guess what's gonna do? We'll come back. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is, but it's fine. How much do you suggest someone start investing with, JJ Vicente? Well, how much you can afford losing? That's my first answer to you. How much you can afford losing? That is my first answer to you. And then later on, looking at, I think $100 a week sounds really nice if you're specifically like a college student. If you're a professional already having money, well, later on you can add even more. What happened to Shiba? Well, that pullback waited for a long time. Remember that I told you many times that it was overbought. Let me go ahead and focus on Shiba right now really quick. This is I'm token and it's coming down, which is not surprising. Here's Shiba. So here's Shiba Inu, right? Let's go to year to date. This is Shiba Inu year to date. Here it is. And then let's go on at the other side. Here it is. This, my friends, Shiba Inu holders. This is what I said many days ago. What did I say? I've said Shiba Inu, to keep the price up, hype and momentum must continue. If hype and momentum leave, guess what's gonna happen? The price is gonna drop. Now, does that mean the price is bad, the worst? Nah, but it's human psychology. It is what people do. People sell, people move on. That's what it is. Now there's new cats and dogs in town, and people are buying and making more money. It is a different way of buying. Will it come back? Arsena just said, yeah, I will agree. Eventually, we'll come back. It's just a time and place where it just rose all the way up. It makes sense. So it is below the Fibonacci. Now it's below. It came all the way very down to close to 403 today. And the last time we saw that price was around October, the last days of October. So I'm not concerned too much about Shiba Inu. Like always, you see the price and everybody gets very panicked. But I will consider just putting that money aside and don't see it. Don't open even the portfolio. Just check every week, every month if you are really invested and you like the Shiba project, because here's the difference. Here's the difference, my friends, and I'm getting even close. How many of you really like Shiba Inu? And how many of you really like the money you can get from Shiba Inu? If you like the project of Shiba Inu, if you like what Shiba Inu stands for, if you like it, and the Dogecoin killer, then it means that you understand and you like the project, right? Then you will stick your guns and diamond hand. But if you're often wondering about the price, 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 it just means one thing, that you are just here for money. And it's okay, but it is just the reality. When you ask me about I'm token, I don't care if I'm token is 4 cents or 8 cents or 10 cents or 5 cents or whatever cents. It is what it is. I'm holding this for the long term, okay? So examine that part. I think that can help you understand a little bit better. Okay, guys? Makes total sense to me. I hope it makes sense to you. Nice. So in the year today here for AM token, what do we see? A nice candlestick all the way to the top, and boom, now here comes the sell-off. I told you guys right here, this is the year today on AM token. Here's the passing the over the other side, has to come back down. So what is the best strategy? If you like AM token, cool, welcome aboard. I love it too. What do we have to do? Buy when it's low and enjoy the profits. Buy when it's low and enjoy the profits as it rises. That's it. Just repeat that for a couple of 3 to 5 years and you guys will be rich. No questions asked. But look at what I just said. 3 to 5 years. Just continue doing that. I'm not saying 3 to 5 days. neither 3 to 5 hours. So there you guys have it. Cheers to what I just said. Cheers to that, and welcome aboard, guys. If you're liking the live, you're liking what you're hearing, if you understand what I'm saying, smash the like button right now and turn on those notification bells, guys. Thank you very much. Let's go. Nice stuff. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Nice. Ramos, you should check out your Safe Moon soon because consolidation is happening soon. Safe Moon is another one. Safe Moon is coming pretty nicely and strong, 200 position or so. So, like I said, there's another, there's some more cryptos like those that are coming very hard, and of course, will those be opportunities for us to take to make money in the short terms? Absolutely. Okay, everyone. It's time for me to bounce. I think we had a nice conversation, and as of now, things are looking delicious. Things are looking fine. Not much going on, and things are okay so far. Shiba Inu is dropping. Why? Well, it was time. Still holding. AMP token is still hanging in there, 6 to 7 cents, coming close to 8 or not. Not news going on when it comes to AMP, Flexa, or Gemini, but still, it's fine to see these price movements. With everything that I've said today and with the video that I posted today, all AMP tokens and everyone here already knows what's going on from yours truly. Go ahead and do your research. Go ahead and look at other coins because, baby, I can tell you, I'm well diversified. And if AMP token keeps dropping, I have 3 more that are very well positioned. Okay? Nice. Hope you guys understand. I had $500 in Shiba exactly a year ago and I sold it off like you sold it. Holding around 90,000 coins of AMP. Excited for it finally go 30%. Good stuff. It's all good to buy right now? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. What are your thoughts about Meta Hero? Not thoughts on that one, Angel. Thank you so much and welcome aboard. Alrighty, you think it could keep pumping? Yeah, sure. But in the long term, that will be even better gains. G Black, thank you very much, guys. If you are liking, please go ahead and subscribe this. Thank you so very much for your support. Thank you for staying with me right now. If we have more price action, I may join us later today. But other than that, good stuff on AMP, good stuff on Shiba, and we're making money. All right? You think AMP is going to experience a rock pull? I feel it will have happened already. No, AMP token is not a rock pull. Rock pull is like what happened with the Squid Game token. No. AMP token, the Flexa network is not like that. 0. It is not like that. So we're good. We're good with that. Everyone, have an amazing time. Look at all these amazing people just joining right now. Love it, love it, love it. So we're still here. We're still see you right here. That's my summary, everyone. Have an amazing time. Thank you for coming and watching. I'll see you next time. Please be safe. Take it easy, guys. Peace. I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks so much for the support and love. You guys are amazing. Have a good one, guys. Peace. Thank you. Let's go.